get to meet the families of the farmers who've died there.
That's right. And just tell us what's happening there at Neemuch right now. You're getting us these reports of Hardik Patel being detained. Tell us what happened there exactly, Divya. Where has he been taken? Where has he been detained?
The village of Neemuch and Mandsaur. It happens to be the last village of Neemuch, and he's been detained there. So he's going to be taken from Nayagarh, will be kept there, and then he'll be asked to go back. So let me tell you that he was moving from Udaipur. He yesterday was in Udaipur where he met the farmers there, and he took that way to reach Neemuch. And after that, he was trying to come to Mandsaur, but he has already been detained there. And after that, Jyotiraditya Scindia will also be detained at Dodar toll booth today, which
All right, let's focus once again on battleground Darjeeling. Things not looking very good. We're going back to Sakal Bhat. Sakal, you were covering that protest. It is moving through those violence-hit areas. What's happening? All right, Sakal Bhat is going to join us. We are seeing Gorkha Jan Mukti Morcha workers protesting there silently. They've been moving through the lanes and by-lanes of Darjeeling, and the police has tried to stop them as well. Sakal is with us. Sakal, the latest.
Right, these are the live visuals from Chaurasta. Surinder Rawat can focus on that van which has been set up. Yes, which Gorkha Jan Mukti Morcha activists had set ablaze yesterday. And now, let me tell you, Parikshit, as we beam these live visuals, the crowd is swelling every moment. And we can see once again police forces approaching the protesters there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. He's the SP police, A.K. Chaturvedi, telling them to take a U-turn, go back. Asking them to go back, but the protesters are relentless. They are not budging from the stand. West Bengal police, led by SP A.K. Chaturvedi, remember, the earlier SP was transferred and A.K. Chaturvedi just took over. Let's try and speak with him. Mr. Chaturvedi, how are you going to control this unrest? Okay. It's quite understandable that the police is also tight-lipped. And let me break this news on Republic TV. As we beam these live visuals, perhaps there's going to be a massive standoff between the police forces and the protesters. Now they're all sitting down. It seems that they're going to sit on an indefinite dharna. That's what I got to hear from some of the protesters. They don't want to come on camera. I tried my best to speak to them. They said this is about Andolan and not about the TV cameras which are here. Now, the point is here as we speak, we have just come to know that 4 people in the last 2 hours have been once again picked up. 4 Gorkha Jan Mukti Morcha activists have been detained. They've been arrested. Yes, it's very clear that the West Bengal police doesn't want to leave any stone unturned. They don't want these shut down, especially the protests turn into an ugly incident, no rioting and arson. Let's hope that doesn't take place. But the police, in fact, right now are trying to forcefully remove them from the site of protests. They're asking them, "Wapas chaliye yahan se." Commandos are being brought in. West Bengal police and some columns of army I can see from the far are also approaching the site at Chaurasta. And let's here. Running towards, in fact it's a crackdown by police, lathi charge, chasing a vehicle there. I think they're trying to get a place. They're trying to, okay, lathi charge. Let's have the pistols. Lathi charge being done on the protesters. Oh my God, they are. Okay, so this, as I reported a while back, this is going to erupt into a situation. The crowds have swollen. It's around 700 plus people on the roads here. Police forces trying to dispel the crowd. We just showed you those lathi charge scenes and it's happening here again. Look at this. Look at this. SP SK Chaturvedi, AK Chaturvedi trying his best to contain the situation, asking them to move from the ground. And the protesters, the Gorkha Janmukti Morcha, do not want this. They're all set to apply some force. And look at this. Okay, chasing them. Why? Why is he beating him with a lathi? Okay, so that's the modus operandi by the police. Gorkha Janmukti Morcha leader Bumil Gurong has maintained it categorically that we are going to have peaceful protests. We saw in the last 1 hour in our special reportage that the protesters were not resorting to violence, not taking any sides. We have women in large numbers, but I can tell you, I can see few women constables from West Bengal police here on duty. And some of them are chasing away these protesters there, trying to shoo them away from the protesting sites. Clear instructions, clear crackdown on the protesters. The district here, making it sure that the shutdown is absolute failure. But as we speak, all shops, business establishments are closed. And now I can see some girls joining the protesters. Some local students joining the protesters. Crowds continue to swell. And here they're trying to move them away. They managed to move some of them away, but the action is there now. The action, the focus shifts to a different part of this Chaurasta by lane. Okay, what's going to happen now? I think we have got SP Darjeeling continues to be here in the middle of the action, trying his best to push them away from the protesting sites. Force is being used, lathi charging. They're now entering narrow lanes. They're now entering the narrow lanes, chasing these women, chasing the women protesters here. What's the plan? Parikshit, okay, I think this is the beginning of something very big in terms of this whole GGAM activism, in terms of the demand for Gorkha land. The number of protesters are more than the force here. But in every passing minute, the number of forces are swelling. They are bringing in more police. West Bengal police call them CRPF as well as army. Okay, look at this. Look at this, what's happening here. Look at this. Vapas jaiye, vapas jaiye. The whole police force, the entire police apparatus is being led by the newly brought in SP of Darjeeling, Mr. AK Chaturvedi, who refuses to talk to media, quite understandable. The earlier SP was transferred within 48 hours in immediate effect, and AK Chaturvedi was brought in. Now the protesters, in fact, Parikshit, have moved in different directions. The police here is clueless. Some of them are trying to chase the boys. We saw those visuals where lathi charge was happening. And now they're going deep inside that lane. It seems that at least some more protesters have joined the earlier protesting, the larger group. Parikshit.
Okay. Right, Sakal, you're getting us these visuals there, but the fact is, these are silent protesters. They were not trying to harm anybody. Then why the lathi charge? Is the state government desperate to make sure that this entire agitation comes to an end?
Absolutely, that's the big question. Well, okay, we have been reporting non-stop since morning the moment this huge crowd of protesters took from the interiors of Goenka Lane. Okay, now look at this. Lathi charge, live visuals on Republic TV. On Republic TV, exclusive visuals from Chaurasta. Chasing these protesters with lathi. But why? They are just, you know, if you can see that the boy was, one of the protesters was just sitting on the stairs there. I mean, I really fail to understand. He was not even protesting. Why was he chased away? What is this? What is this entire drama that the entire police contingent is trying to stage here? Well, if you can make out, Parikshit, there are more forces here, and the protesters have actually moved in a different direction. So coming out here. They're outside. Look at that. Look at that point. Andar chaliye, asking them not to peep out of window. What kind of police force is this? Perhaps can West Bengal police explain? They have to swing into action when some violent measures are being adopted by protesters. But nothing of that sort is happening. But yes, a while back, for more than once, they resorted to lathi charge. And they are training their guns, chasing another car. Once again, let me repeat. The protesters, the huge contingent of protesters who were leading this march with their Indian tricolour, they have moved in a different direction altogether, but the police seems to be concentrating here only. Now, another set of drama number 3, chasing them. Let's chase with them. Let's see what West Bengal police, what are the measures they're going to adopt while containing the unrest. Okay. My video journalist, Surendra Rawat, the first video journalist on the spot, getting these live visuals on Republic TV, moving with the police force. Parikshit.
Right, Sakal, stay safe, and Surendra Rawat also, you're doing a great job, and we'd like you to be safe as well amidst these protests and the police there.
Parikshit, it seems that
now
they're
taking action because they want this protest to end.
in the lanes and by-lanes. They're hunting for the protesters. They're trying to shove them away.
Yes, Sakal, we can see this.
Anybody who tries to come on the streets. But what about those who are already carrying out the procession?
Right, Sakal, you're getting us these pictures of the police looking into or searching lanes and by-lanes for people because they want this protest to end. And I'm sure they're looking to detain protesters because they feel that they'll go through lanes and regroup once again. And the fact is, and what really stays with the viewer, is the fact that all these shops around you have completely shut. And this is probably why the state administration is worried, because the economy of the area is being badly hit. Tourists are not coming, shops are not functioning, offices are not functioning, and they're desperate to bring the situation to normal. So this is a desperate police force, isn't it?
Okay, Parikshit.
Over to you, Sakal.
Before I talk about the desperate police force, let's talk to one of the chemists who has, who has kept his shop open. But let me also tell you, Bimal Gurung made it very clear when we broke the story that medical emergencies will remain open, schools will remain open. Let's try and understand the situation on ground, the palpable tension as far as the locals are concerned. हम रिपब्लिक टीवी से है, आपने दुकान खुली रखी, काफी कुछ एक्शन हुआ था यहाँ पे.
क्या बताऊँ?
प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं, आप गोरखा जनमुक्ति मोर्चा के प्रोटेस्ट में नहीं शामिल होना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, हम तो यहाँ पर मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, वो तो उसको हमको कुछ पता नहीं है.
यहाँ पिछले 24 घंटे से कैसा माहौल है, क्योंकि शटडाउन कॉल दिया गया?
24 घंटा से आप तो देख ही रहे, तो यहाँ बंद हो रहा है, खुल रहा है, हमको तो अब क्या है, हम
आपको लगता है कि पुलिस प्रोटेस्टर्स से ज्यादती कर रही है?
वो तो मालूम नहीं हमको.
नहीं, हमको मालूम नहीं. हम लोग तो मेडिसिन बेचते हैं, हम लोग को कुछ मालूम.
क्या यहाँ इस लेन में, ये कौन सा इस रोड को क्या बोलते हैं?
हिल कार्ट रोड बोलते हैं. हिल कार्ट रोड
सबसे.
हिल कार्ट रोड.
अंकल आप बताइए, आपने अभी हिल कार्ट रोड पे क्या पहले भी कुछ प्रोटेस्ट हुए हैं यहाँ पे? पहले भी
अभी घर से दवाई ले नहीं आया है.
माहौल कैसा है पूरे दार्जिलिंग में?
माहौल तो ठीक ही है.
लेकिन आपने अभी देखा वो प्रोटेस्टर्स आ रहे थे गोरखा जनमुक्ति के, क्या ये चलता रहेगा?
अभी तो हम दवाई ले रहे हैं, अभी हम तो उधर ध्यान नहीं दिया.
Okay. There is a reluctance, Parikshit. There is a reluctance. I'm having a bit of a difficulty in getting localites on camera. What is the fear? I fail to understand. Well, we do understand that when you have strife or conflict in the region, there are multiple forces that are applying. The majority of the population here is Gorkhas. They speak Nepalese. They are directly or indirectly part of the movement. But you see, as far as the Bimal Gurung, their leader and the self-proclaimed Chief Minister of Darjeeling is considered, he has made it very clear that he is not going to let go of the momentum as far as this round of rejuvenated Gorkha Janmukti, the demand for separate statehood is concerned. Well, from Ghat Lane, as we report, we can see...
That's right, Sakar. Shivani, this side, Just to reiterate for our viewers there, all of this fight really began after